Good evening to both of you. Thanks for joining the session. Let's go with introduction. My name is Ravi. I'm 32. I am from Andhra Pradesh, southern part of India. Yeah, I hail from a tribal family, tribal background. I did my schooling and graduation, everything in my home district. I did my graduation in BCom up until it was Telugu medium, and then MA in English, and then I did my diploma in French, and then a few certifications. Started working as a French translator, and then a soft skill trainer, and then an assistant professor, and then communication trainer in BPO. Now I work as an English teacher in Uzbekistan. I recently moved here. Yeah, that's it. A brief about me. Let's have both of your introduction now. Thank you.
Yeah, nice introduction. Nice. Yes, Pooja, you can go ahead.
Yes, as you both already know, my name is Pooja Singh. I hail from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh,
Mm-hmm.
and I have completed my BTech in Electronic and Communication. I am devoted mother of inquisitive 5-year-old, and these days I am learning English to honing my communication and to like uh, and I just get some time for myself because nowadays my son is 5-year-old. So nowadays I'm get 2 to 3 hours time for myself. So nowadays I'm honing my communication.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about my leisure time activity, I love to talk with stranger to know about them, to know about their activity and interest all. And I also recently inculcate the habit of reading book. And I also love cooking as well, and I have a green thumb too. And simultaneously I also run a small YouTube channel where I uploaded conversation video and some source video. My channel is totally dedicated to English. It's a little
Great.
bit.
Nice.
I've been following your channel from quite some time. The moment we started interacting, I'm following it, and you've been uploading a few shorts on different vocabulary and all these things. I've seen 2 shorts today. They were really nice. All the best. It's going good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Amit sir, let's go with your introduction now.
Yes, hi all of you.
Hi sir.
My name is Amir and I'm from Hyderabad and I work in MNC company as assistant manager. Recently I got promoted. Before that I was as a quality. And apart
Great.
from that, I also run YouTube channels like one for spoken English, one for job seeker, like that. And apart from that, I also run lots of job group, WhatsApp job group.
Mm-hmm.
And my motive is that to help to the people with the information, because I gather a lot of information, but I believe that people are very keen to know that how they can learn spoken English, how they can get a job. So in my
Yes.
mind always is that how to help to the people so that they can at least their life can change a little bit.
True. True.
And if I talk about my hobbies, yes, I have a passion for reading, and mostly I believe I have lots of notebook
Mm-hmm.
and book where I practice, and I also see lots of WhatsApp group where people they, get if people post any information, I want this information, I reply immediately, because I believe that if we communicate properly, it will be helpful for all people. Yeah,
True.
that's it about me.
Great, sir. Great. As we discussed, let's have a discussion on fluency. How any beginner or
Yes,
maybe
my
intermediate
topic.
level learner, like as you suggested, let's have a discussion on how one can improve their fluency in terms of maybe having in a short period like 3 to 4 months or maybe max 6 months, what sort of approaches they can follow or something. If you can share from your experiences and our experiences, that would be helpful to our learners.
Yes, Pooja, would you like to start? How people can be fluent within six
Yeah.
months or 4 months? What is the tips
Yes.
and trick?
Okay, sir. So first I just want to share my own experience.
Mm-hmm.
Just be consistent and don't fear of making mistake, because making mistake is the part of learning. If we make mistakes, so it proves we are learning and we are growing and we are trying to learn. So this is the part of learning English. And don't fear of judgment. people will laugh at you and mock at you. So don't afraid of fear of judgment. So because um, if the people will judge you, so this is not your problem, this is their problem. Maybe they are maybe they are lack of believing in themselves, that's why they are
Hmm?
judging you. And maybe uh, they uh, maybe their mood is not good sometime, that's why. And they have negative thought, they are just negative kind of person, that's why they are judging you. And if they judge you, so like maybe they will judge only for 1 week, 1 year, but everyone is busy in their life, so they don't have much time, much time to judge you for a long time. So let them judge and do whatever you want to do and achieve your goal. And just be consistent and keep patience, because consistency always pay off. And consistency wins a long what we call wins a run. I can't remember that
Mhm.
idioms. Okay, which I learned today, but let it be.
And
So,
marathon.
what is
People
that,
say
sir?
marathon. People say marathon like that. People say if it's a
Yeah,
long
something
journey,
like that. Yeah, something
marathon.
like that. But I'm not able to recall properly. Yeah, and if someone is beginner, so first start to listen and consume lots of input related to English. Just train your mind. Just surround yourself with the English content and just watch a lot, listen a lot English content, and read a lot. Once your brain get habitual, get wired of English, then automatically words can comes from your mouth automatically. Maybe you can start with to broken English, like some ready-made sentence. I can say, for example, I can say, to be very honest, and yeah, I have another opinion like this. Yeah, it is right. And you can also start with the daily life, as like small sentence. Like right now I'm speaking, and I'm drinking, I'm eating, I'm going, I
Yeah.
want to drink, I want to eat, like this. We
Yes.
can start like this. And once you get wired, once you get accustomed with the English, the word will automatically comes from your mouth. Yeah, and like consistency play a vital role in terms of
True.
getting fluency. We
True.
cannot get fluency in a night, in a day. It take time, so be patient and keep growing, and keep practicing every day, because every day, every second is matter to get
Absolutely.
fluency, to get any achievement, to get any goal. So that's it.
Great, ma'am. In fact, I have watched a reel today on YouTube, sir, Amit sir. There, it's
Mhm.
really, really informative one. One old guy, old man, he runs
Mhm.
very slowly, but consistent. The rest angers, they, they pass him, like they feel like, okay, they defeated or they overcame him, something. And then after some time, they stop. They're tired, and this
Mhm.
guy still keeps moving. So like that, consistency works in
Yeah.
life. Rightly said.
Yes.
One should be consistent. It doesn't happen over a night or a month or a year. It takes time to build
Yes.
that big castle or something. It really takes time. So yeah,
Yes.
great man.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you, sir. Like a turtle and rabbit story.
Exactly.
That is a very famous story, and that
Even
is a true actually.
that has been proved in the modern generation. They made a competition between a hare and a tortoise. Obviously,
Yes.
the tortoise was consistent and it, ultimately reached the destination, but the hare got distracted and moved here and there. And yeah, it is true. Indeed, it's true.
Yes.
The story is
It's
true.
true.
Fatal is true. Yeah.
It's true.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Ramesh sir, now
But
is your opinion about consistency.
yes, if I talk about this, because I have seen a lot of people they are looking for fluent in within 6 months or within short time. Okay, so
Mhm.
for them, I like to tell you that first of all, it takes a lot of time to speak English actually.
Yeah.
But if you want to be fluent within 5 months or 6 months, yes, there is a tips and trick. I will
Mhm.
tell you. First of
Great.
all, you have to join some groups, spoken English group, and you have to find the person
Yeah.
who
Yeah.
speaks good English, and you have to make the friend, and you have
Mhm.
to talk with them continuously.
Mhm.
Yes.
In the evening, make the time, perfect time, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, make the conference call, join 2 3 person and speak on topic. It will really help you to be fluent within short time, because more you speak, more you get fluency.
Yes.
And another thing I like to tell you, that uh, you should not show that, show off. You have to, whatever you're in your mind coming, whatever the topic in coming, whatever the sentences is coming, must you have to speak only. You should not
Yes.
get fear that, oh, this sentence is wrong or this grammar is wrong. No, you have to get fluency. After that, you will get to know about all grammars. Yes,
True.
grammar
True.
is important, but basic grammar is enough to speak English.
True.
So this
Yes.
is the steps you can find out. Another thing I will tell you, in the morning, what you have to do, you have to write one paragraph, okay, and you have to revise in the morning with sound, okay, with loud voice. It should not be more, but loud voice should be.
I
So
mean,
what
you
will
mean
happen?
read
Your
read
mind,
aloud? Read aloud
yeah, read
activities, right?
aloud. Yeah,
Mhm.
yes, loud.
Mhm.
It will help actually. Mind will get habituated, and mind will get observed. So
Mhm.
reading is very very helpful in the morning especially, which I also do. And this thing I understood, whoever want to be fluent in short time, they can do reading, and they can find the partner, they can do the conference call in the evening, they can speak on any topic. And if possible, make the video, whatever you are doing in the morning, in
Yes.
the evening, okay,
Mm.
you record the video, you tell everything what you did from the morning. You went to office, in office what happened, after that how you did log out, how was the performance in office. Just make the video and see, listen carefully where you are making mistake, what is the fluency, where you are getting stuck. This
Yes.
will
Yes.
help you, 100% guarantee it will help you to become a fluent. Yes, spoken English takes a time. I will not tell you, you will get immediately. It takes a lot of time. But
Yeah.
Yes.
there is a tips and trick. If you follow this thing, definitely it will help you. Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Great,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I totally agree with Amit sir, because I have been following this trick since 3 months, and I
Mhm.
made one friend with whom I do practice with video call, WhatsApp call um, every day at 9 p.m. after completing all my household chores, and we both were free at that time, and we both spent 1 hour over video call. We both share with each other what we did today and what about the YouTube and all.
Mhm.
So it helped me a lot.
It's helping
Great.
you. Great,
Great.
great to
Yes.
tell.
Yes.
It's
Nice.
helping a
This
lot.
is the
Yes,
life
Ravi, what's
example,
your
sir. I have experienced this trick. Yeah.
yeah, this help you a
Great.
lot actually. That's why I'm telling to all people, do this thing. It will
Mhm.
help you. And you make the friend
Yes.
of Ravi also. You can you can add him also. He will talk.
Yeah, I think we can interact here sometimes. No problem. Yes.
Yes, Ravi, what's your point of view on this? How people can be fluent if within 4 months or within 6 months? Must be some tips and trick from your side, please.
Yes, sir. Mostly I followed the same tips and tricks that you followed. But in my case, I did a lot of self-talk, sir. I do self-talk. That's the best thing that I do, and it helped me a lot. See, it doesn't matter I have learners around me or not. It's just that I pick up a topic, I go on speaking. I do read aloud activity when I'm alone or something, but self-talk, that helps me a lot. If I go on a road or something, if I see things around, I pick up. If, for example, if there is a restaurant, I try to create the context and try to use the vocabulary which is related to the restaurant. If I go to school, I use the vocabulary which is related to school and all. Say if I go to road, on road I use the like traffic jam, road, like all these pedestrian, all these sort of vocabulary. This way, I not only build my vocabulary, but also my speaking and that fluency, because it has to become our second nature. Second nature means a sort of natural way of speaking, like how we do with our mother tongue. So until and unless we have that sort of confidence, I think it won't be that easy to maintain that fluency levels. So this is how I practice, and that's how it helped me to improve my fluency levels.
The how to be fluent, I hope people understood they
Yes, sir.
have to follow some rules, tips and trick. Definitely it will help them,
Yeah,
and we will keep doing this type of videos where we like
sure,
to help to you only with message.
sure.
And because we do a lot of analysis and we understand that how to help to the people.
True,
So keep
true.
watching these videos and give your comment. If we are making a mistake, we are also human, we are also
Yes,
make a grammar mistake. If you are
yes,
feeling anything there is a mistake, write in comment, we will take as a feedback and we will keep moving forward.